What is going on, everybody? This is Random Topics with you here today, and today we are going to discuss how to fry an egg. Yes, well anyways, we have our frying pan right there. It doesn't really matter what size. As long as you know you can fry an egg in it, it should be good, depending on how much eggs you want to fry. Anyways, get some butter or oil. I prefer butter. Butter should be used, in my opinion. A lot of people say oil, but honestly the taste is so much better with butter, and it is totally more than doable with butter. Now you can fry these sunny side up, over easy, fully cooked, whatever you want. But I like over easy. Anyways, okay. So get your butter, eggs, salt, and pepper. Okay, now you want to get a good amount of butter, a little bit more than enough to just make the eggs not stick. So I'm gonna fry 2 eggs, and for 2 eggs I'm going to use, you don't need that much butter or oil. People use a lot more than they need, but their loss. Anyways, for those watching, you are lucky. You're going to learn how to fry an egg the right way. So get this amount of butter. That seems good enough. Drop it in the skillet, on the stove, just like that. Heat this to medium heat. See, we have it at the 5, right in the middle between low and high. And we're going to wait for that to melt. While we're waiting, we can get some other stuff done. I have some bacon in the oven. Shh. I have some bacon, in the oven. It smells great. Should have cooked these eggs earlier, but anyways, okay, so we have our salt and our pepper. We're going to take some fish oil. For those who do remember, the review on the fish oil, it was a good review. Bounty Fish, I think, or something like that. Okay. Anyways, let's get something to get the eggshells in. So we have our eggs right here. We have the large 18 grade A eggs from Kroger. We have our butter melting right there. Come on, butter. Okay, so that butter is just about good. Now is when you want to put the fried eggs on here. So what you have to do is get an egg, crack it just like this. Get that right on there just like that. Quickly get the other egg, so we are going to get one more egg. Crack this just like this. There we go. So we have our 2 fried eggs on here. We have the medium heat going. This is perfect. Now you don't want the heat too high, so don't, raise it. I mean, you can raise it up to high for a second just to get the butter melted. But after that, I highly recommend turning it down very quickly, or else your egg might not turn out that well. Anyways, right after you do that, you want to get some salt. We have some kosher salt. I prefer to use kosher for most stuff, for most things. Sprinkle some salt on there. Just enough to, season it up, however much you want. And then some pepper as well. Same concept, however much you want. It's very simple, guys. It's a nice and healthy meal. But get a spatula ready, and now you can just sit back, relax, and wait. Get this stuff cleaned up. That's what I'm going to do. Okay, guys. Alright, take it easy, baby. Anyways, yes, it is the weekend. At least for me. Excuse me. I was going to make a smoothie too. I'll make that tomorrow. No big deal. Let me get some bread going, see how this bacon is. Kind of multitasking. Yes, the bacon is done. Let me check if this thing's on high. No, it was on night. Okay. Anyways, there's that bacon. And here's the eggs frying. So these look just about good. Right when you can see, not the yolk, but the part around the yolk, this stuff right here, start to look like it is cooked. You want to flip these. Now this is the tricky part. For most people, I would recommend, you know, almost not like flipping them like literally, but kind of going like this, like slowly flipping them over, not breaking the yolk, just like that. So you guys can see I'm a bit late. We actually should have done this earlier, but yes, just get these flipped around, just like that, without breaking the yolk. Excuse me, the camera fell down almost, but almost not fell down, but you guys know what I mean. Okay, so these two are just about good. You want to fry them a little bit on the other side. No more than a minute, most likely, as the heat is going. Their eggs are cooking, and if you're doing it, if you want these eggs over easy, you don't want them to, what's the word? To cook. So that's just about right there. It's been almost like 45 seconds on the other side. It should be just about good. We are going to see this just like this. Looks good. I can still feel that yolk in there. And hopefully we didn't overcook this egg too much. Nope, it looks good. As we can see right here, the yolk is still pretty good. A little runny. So here's what they look like. They look pretty good. We can turn our stove off, and that is pretty much it. We have two nice fried eggs, very easy and simple with butter. Not a lot of oil, not, you know, it's easy stuff. It's a simple tutorial. Anyways, that is pretty much it. We hope you guys all enjoyed this how-to video and our new how-to series on our channel. Be sure to subscribe and check out other series like news, food reviews, and a lot more that we provide. And we hope to see you guys, excuse me, as always, next video.